Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we'll see how to make an RC car with available items at your home. Like due to Corona lockdown, I can't order any parts online, so that I thought of making an RC car with available parts at my home. So for this I'm using these motors. These are brushed motors, 775 brushed motors. Okay, so both are same, and I'm using this 320 amps RC car ESC, so that for the both motors I'm planning to use the same ESC. Okay, and yeah, this is actually it is a car ESC, and it's also have a fan for cooling down this one. Okay, yeah, this is the 320 amps ESC, and I'm using these tires for this build. Okay, and few 3D printed parts. Okay, like this. All these are 3D printed. I collected this from Thingiverse, and few parts I have designed. Okay, so for the base I'm using this wooden plate. Okay, on this I will mount all these motors and I'll make the car. So first what I will do is on this base, first I will do the back side. So what I'll do, I will screw these things here, then I will mount the motor here like this. Okay, so for the both sides, one is this side, one is this side. So I will do that and I'll be back. Okay, so this will be like this. Okay, so here I mounted the motors both sides. Okay, so I mounted the motors both sides. Now I need to attach the wheels. So to attach the wheels, what I did is like, so I designed this coupler. So what I'll do, I'll just place it here, then I will place the screws like this. Okay, once it is done, then this will go here in this, then I will add a screws to hold the shaft. See, so using these two screws I will hold the shaft within this coupler. Okay, so I will do that and I'll be back. So I added the tires. Okay, so you can see here there is a screws that is holding the shaft. Okay, like this I've done for both tires. Both motors are attached. Means you can see here. Okay, so back portion is ready. So now what we need to do is we need to put the front one. So here what I will do is, first there will be a holding thing like this. Okay, then you can see there will be a holder like this. So this will be going inside this, and I'll show you another one. Okay, this will be going inside this. Okay, so whole thing will be like this. So it will be something like this. Okay, this will be placed. So inside this tire will be going. So before that, what exactly will happen is it will be screwed. So here I placed a bearing so that it will move freely like this. Then screw will go from here and it will go inside. So this side tire will be attached. so tire will be, so this will go here and this will go here, then like this. So this will be going inside this like that. So this is the steering system, like this it will be going. So this whole setup will go, hold it like this. Okay, then this will be coming here like this. Okay, so I will do this one and I will be back. So the front portion is ready now, like so I have mounted like this. So here I added the connecting rod between these two things. So you can see very simple one. So this will help to steer the front wheels. Okay, it's very simple bar, and you can see center there will be a hole here. So this is where the servo will come and stick. So this is what. So this is just a case to hold the servo. Okay, just place the servo inside this. Then servo I will connect here. Right. Okay, so that it will steer the wheels. Okay, so I will fix this one and then I'll be back. So I added servo here and I connected. So you can see here it's connected. Yes. Okay, I want to show you. You can see here. Okay, so let me pause it and show you. Okay, so this servo is ready. Just I need to add ESC. So I'm using the one ESC, the same ESC for both. So I have to do some changing connections and parallel to these two motors. Okay, so I will do that and I'll be back. So here I connected the motors with a single ESC. So here one thing you need to do is I am connecting one ESC to two motors, so that one motor you need to connect in reverse. So here I connected red and black. So here I reversed like black and white. Otherwise these both wheels won't run in a same direction. One will rotate clock, another one will rotate counterclock. That's the reason this is like positive negative. So here I connected negative positive, so that when you move, both will move in the same direction. Means one will be opposite to another, so that both will run in the same way. So I am using this flysky FS i6. Okay, so ESC I am connecting to channel 2. That means this for forward and this for backward. So this is the elevator channel. So this will be going backward, this will be going forward, and fourth channel, that is rudder, I am using for steering. So servo is connected to channel 4 and the ESC is connected to channel 2. So using this I can go forward, go backward. Using this I can go right and I can go left. So this is for the steering and this is for the moving forward and backward. Okay, so based on your transmitter you can use it in a different way. Okay, so I want to use both 6, that's why one I connected to 2, another one I connected to 4. Okay, so here you can see here. So in receiver ESC I connected to, so ESC I connected to channel 2, so that I can move forward and backward, and the servo I connected to channel 4. Okay, so let me demonstrate like how this will be. So I will connect this to, I will connect this one to this. Just I will connect battery. So now this is steering. See, both in rotating in same direction. So moving forward, backward, forward. See, both moving same direction. So now what I will do, I will tidy up this one, and I will be back. Like, I will arrange these things on top, then everything will be fine. Okay, so I will place this battery ESC on top of this. Okay, so finally I made this car. Like, so I settled this electronics and all. Like, the receiver I taped with here, sticked here, and this ESC also sticked here. It's just a tape, and the battery have a zip tie, so I can take it anytime I want. Zip tie and this velcro, so I can take it anytime. Okay, so I can change the battery whenever I want. So yeah, so this is how I have completed this. So to give a final look for this car, what I did, I made a what I made is, I made this one. So this I made with the Depron. So this I made with the Depron. So this one made with this Depron, and I just painted with the red color. So this is the one. Okay, so I can place it whenever I want, and like this. So, and see, here I have given a little bit of extra things, so that will hold this. So like this. So I'll just place it here. So it will stay here. So this is what it looks, and inside, so like this. So this is what. So I will do the test, and I will okay. So it's kind of like a huge car.